Hello, English 111 students, summer 2019, Shaw University. This is it, last week, week 6. It's actually even an abbreviated week. We don't have a full week here because the semester ends on June 26th. So, last week you turned in your first draft of paper 3. I have given you feedback by now. Well, hopefully. I mean, the idea is that you submit it on, on Sunday night, and I will have done it first thing on Monday. So you will have had your feedback. Okay, so what are you doing this week? Well, two things. There's the post-test. So if you remember, there was a pre-test you took at the beginning of the semester. Now you get to take a post-test because who doesn't want to do that? This does count towards your grade, so make sure that you take that and give it your best effort. And this really kind of covers concepts that were taught in this class. And it's open book, so you can use Odigia for that. Last but not least is the final draft of paper 3. We have turned in a few of these. Just like before, you're going to click on final draft, and you're going to then hit submit paper, blah, 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 blah. We have done that before many times. Well, at least 3 or 4 times. Okay. So both of these are due by Wednesday the 26th, because the semester ends on the 26th. I need you to have them submitted by that night because I have to get them graded and turned in grades. I have a deadline. Me, personally, I have a deadline that I have to get stuff into the school. That's why there is a hard, fast deadline by getting these done. Note, no work will be accepted after Wednesday, June 26th. Okay, 0. I don't take late work at all anyway. Okay, so if if we get to this last week and say, oh, I missed a quiz back in week 2, well, too bad. I'm not going to reopen that for you because there's no late work accepted. So I have to have that deadline put in place so I can get everything done that I need to get done so the grades can be put into the system. So, well, I hope you have, again, this has been a kind of a breakneck speed for this class, going through a summer English class, in 5.5 weeks, basically, writing, 3 papers, learning about audience and research and all sorts of fun stuff, okay? So I wish you all the best, and good luck with your future.